Hello friends. The people are usually confused about how the fault current when happens in the system goes back to the source. To make people understand, I am trying to use one analogy of that fault current path with the help of ambulance we usually come across on the road. All that analogy is very helpful to understand the concept of fault current going back to the source. If you see here that patient in the ambulance has to go back to the hospital. It has to reach to the hospital as early as possible to save the life of that patient. In a similar fashion, whenever the fault happens in the systems, that fault current has go back to the source, and that is to be done with the help of dedicated path. We have to provide that dedicated path, and that dedicated path is here. Every fault current happen in systems has go back to the source, and it should reach the source as early as possible, and that path is given by dedicated earth path. That's why we always emphasize on providing dedicated earth path to make sure that every fault current happening in our system is reaching back to the source in a minimum possible time, in fact no time, to isolate that faulty portion and to protect equipment, to protect the personal working in that area. I hope next time when you see any ambulance on the road and when you think about saving that patients by providing path so that he can reach to the hospital, you will also start thinking about your costly equipments, living stock that also need protection. That is only possible when you provide dedicated path back to the source. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone.